Channel 3 early warning weather.
All right, the rain from the past couple of hours has come to an end, and temperature-wise, after peaking in the mid and upper 70s, sometimes even hitting the 80-degree mark earlier this afternoon across the interior portions of the state here in the 11 o'clock hour. Inland, we're still in the upper 50s and low 60s, so pretty mild, and we're in the low and mid 50s along the Connecticut shoreline. Compared to this time yesterday, 5-10 degrees warmer in many locations. So early this morning, we started the day in the 40s. Tomorrow morning, we're going to start off in the 50s, so we're not expecting any sort of big drop in temperature while we're sleeping tonight. There's our view from Hartford. Pretty good visibility. We've got 62 in the capital city. As we check out the scene from New Haven, pretty quiet as well. 56, south wind at 8 miles an hour. So while the visibility is good right now, some patchy fog could develop as we head toward daybreak. There goes the rain from earlier, clearing Connecticut, moving offshore, and as expected, really shrinking in coverage and weakening as it's been making its way through. There are a couple more showers, some downpours across northern Pennsylvania. Basically, we've got the stalled frontal boundary. Waves of low pressure are going to ride along that. The next one we're tracking is through the Midwest. That's going to bring us a more substantial round of rain through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So to check out Futurecast, here we are at 11 o'clock tonight, showing the showers winding down. Maybe a spotty shower overnight. That'll also be the case around the morning commute. But the rain really begins to fill in on Futurecast around lunchtime tomorrow and points thereafter. Notice we transition to those darker shades of green, even some yellows and oranges in time for the Thursday evening commute. And even by, say, 8 o'clock tomorrow night, coming down at a pretty good clip across Connecticut. Can't rule out some rumbles of thunder. And by around this time tomorrow, 24 hours from now, most of that rain will be winding down. Then in the pre-dawn hours of Friday, a cold front moves through, and that will bring an end to the rain and then as well a bit of a gusty wind. Meanwhile, with regard to this round of rain that's coming, we could see ½ inch to an inch of rain, perhaps some locally higher amounts. Our models have been pretty consistent with keeping that near the Massachusetts border. And we could actually use the rain. With 2 days left in the month of April, we have nearly a 1-inch deficit for the Hartford area and around 3/4 of an inch of a deficit for Bridgeport. So with regard to temperatures tomorrow, certainly not as warm as today because we've got the clouds, we've got the rain, especially through the peak of the heating during the afternoon. So temperatures only warming to, say, the mid, maybe upper 60s inland, between 60 and 65 along the 95 corridor. Behind the storm system for Friday, the wind's going to start to increase. We could get some gusts to over 30 miles an hour. And with the passage of that front on Friday, especially very early in the day, perhaps some lingering isolated showers. Otherwise, we'll see clearing, a mix of sun and clouds. Also windy on Saturday, just downright blustery, highs in the low 60s, but partly to mostly sunny. Sun and clouds for Sunday, highs near 70, so a nice rebound. And then by early next week, we could hit 75, maybe 80 on Monday. Then another chance of rain and storms arrives on Tuesday with another cold front that will knock temperatures from the 70s on Tuesday back into the mid and upper 60s by Wednesday. For shoreline highs this weekend, 63 Saturday, 66 for Sunday.